Hello, welcome back. Today we're making this twisted bracelet. It's super easy to make and a great basic to build on. I use 2mm beads and 0.2mm nylon cord. I recommend using transparent cord, otherwise it will be visible in the finished piece. Also a lobster clasp, and I will work with a needle. So let's begin. I start with 3 white beads and 3 pink beads. Bring all beads to the end of your cord, but leave an end piece that's long enough so you can comfortably make a loop at the end. I would recommend something around 10 cm. Now we go up through all 3 white beads. So now we have the short piece at the bottom and we came out of the top bead. Next we pass the needle down through all 3 pink beads. And again up through all white beads. Now we can continue by adding 1 bead of each color and pass the needle down through all 3 pink beads. And up through the first 2 white beads. That's our first row. Then we add 2 more beads and pass the needle down 3 pink beads. And up through the first 2 white beads. These are the steps for the whole bracelet. Add 2 beads, go down 3 beads, and up the first 2. It may take a few rows until it starts twisting, so make sure to tighten it well. One thing to take care of is when you go up the 2 beads and you see the cord down here, I call it no loop, that you will tighten it always on the same side, so either in front of your piece or in the back, and try not to switch it up, otherwise it messes up the pattern. To finish off the bracelet, I start by adding 6 beads, the lobster clasp, and 6 more beads. Then I pass the needle through the first 2 pink beads, up through the first 2 white beads, through the whole loop we just created, plus the lobster clasp, of course. This is where we make our knots. I should have taken my own advice and left myself more cord to make a knot, but here we go. You could also seal the knots with some glue and pull the rest of the cord through a few more beads. Repeat those steps on the other side as well, just without the lobster clasp. And we're done! These are the finished bracelets. See you next time!